Hi, my name's Johnde. I'm currently doing an apprenticeship. I'm working with R&D Electrical. I've studied with James Watt for 3 years, doing my level 1, my level 2 and my level 3 diplomas. Once I finished that, I was looking for work, looking for an employer. Once I found one, I came straight back to this college. I had an interview at my workplace. They gave me the job straight away. They sent me attendance from college, which was brilliant. My college tutors were fantastic. They recommended me, they put a good word in for me. Hallfield School, I'm working now. We're just doing some outside lights, fault finding. I've passed my 18th edition as well, just before Christmas. Really happy with that. And I'm currently coming into college now. I'll come in, say, once or twice every month, just to go over my logbook with my assessor, what type of work I'm carrying out, so whether it's domestic, commercial or industrial. It's going fantastic, and I definitely recommend BMet colleges. My name's Johnde and I'm an